Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you, Santa. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is my Christmas Eve. Thank you so much for joining us. And yes, I just got up. I only slept 3 hours. I worked last night, and I really got to get going. Got the birdies, some fresh lettuce. Yes, you're welcome. Yes, you're welcome too. Got the kitties. And yes, they have the same outfit on as before, basically pajamas. I'm gonna put all of the Christmas presents in the trunk. I always make sure I lay everything out so I don't forget anything. Trying to make room. And this is for our charcuterie tray. And of course, we can't forget the elf shoes.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Santa.
Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you, Santa. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. I had stopped by Walmart on the way home from work. Now we're heading over to my sister's house. I'm trying to film some really cool Christmas decorations, but sorry guys, the quality, it's kind of low. Let's see some of the decorations. And here is a Christmas bunny in my sister's neighbor's yard. So cute. She said there's a lot of bunnies around. And there he is. So cute. And the house is empty right now. They're at Mass. So I am going to put all of the presents underneath the tree. Look, we have the whole family here. And just waiting for everybody to come home. Tree is so beautiful. And this is Lucky the dog. Oh my gosh, look how cute those are. I must have them. So this nice. Is Erica. Hey. Hi, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, here is Wiz the hamster. And oh my gosh, look how cute you are. He's less than 6 months. What is this, a dwarf?
Yeah. Well, Lucky didn't know that.
Oh my god, it's so cute. So stinky cute. I used to have a hamster. Oh, hi, Bear. Okay, we can't see you anymore. Where are you? And just making our charcuterie tray. We're trying to make a Christmas tree. Hi.
Oh, I thought you were taking a picture.
Hi. So we're grilling them up. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, delicious.
When you come from this side, you don't get the shadow on it.
Ah, okay. Good job.
I gotta flip them in 2 minutes.
Sweet. Dude. Here's our charcuterie tray, and we have some fresh rosemary, and if you just kind of place it underneath here, the cheese will infuse. This is like, I think like white cheddar. We just have some sprigs from outside. Look at these grapes, you guys. Oh my gosh. cheddar. This is sharp provolone, and this is mozzarella, fresh mozzarella with salami, and this is that Cheesecake Factory bread. So yeah, I think it came out really cute. So my sister made this tastefully simple garlic dip. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you love garlic,
I love that. That's good stuff.
it is delicious. And also, you know, garlic is good for your heart.
She's been selling that, I don't know, over 10 years. Since I know her, she's been selling that. The Lundines, yeah. Sister giving me peanut butter.
Look at this. What a nice spread, just sitting down with my family, eating delicious food. And of course, we can't forget the wine. And we're going to have some pie. In the background, we were watching It's a Wonderful Life. And these are the cookies that Ryan decorated. Starlight the Elf.
Oh my god, I got ice cream maker.
Oh, yay!
Someone's making a lot of ice cream.
Awesome.
Sure was. Oh, look at that pretty Hello Kitty.
I know, it's a shame I gotta rip into it.
Yeah, you have to be really careful, right?
Alright,
Oh,
baby.
geez.
Batman Colgate.
Yeah,
This
baby.
one has a suction cup so I can put it in the shower.
Yeah. Getting toward the end of It's a Wonderful Life. I think this movie is literally like 4 hours long. I'm sure it's because of all the commercials. These I got at the Dollar Tree. And what I really like is these are individually packaged. And I'm going to include them in a little gift package for the girls at work. I am going to be spending Christmas with my work family. Wanna open your present? Okay, come here. Look, you must have been a very good kitty. This one's Santa. Oh yeah, come here, come on. You wanna open it? Okay, let's open it. Oh my goodness. Look at this. you so excited? Are you? You're welcome. Oh, there's Coco. Do you like it?
It's winding down the night. We're watching Hard Rock, Coco and Joe.
Merry Christmas.
And the little drummer boy. It is like my favorite.
Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God.
Thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas to everyone.